Former Minister of Aviation Femi Fani-Kayode has attacked the governor of Plateau State for receiving the envoy of Israel, or the Israeli ambassador to Nigeria. That is what we're going to talk about right away. Now, the governor has also responded to him, and he responded to him in a way that is very nice and interesting. Now, how did this started? Femi Fani-Kayode, if you notice, lately had been anti-Israel, and pro-Hamas. So he is a Hamas apologist in Nigeria, and this is somebody that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had nominated to be an ambassador. And my first reaction when I saw the report, Femi Fani-Kayode attacking the ambassador, attacking the governor of Plateau State for receiving the Israeli ambassador, was to challenge him that he should tell his principal, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, not to receive the Israeli ambassador. Because if the Israeli ambassador can be received by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, every other person in Nigeria has a right to receive him. Or he can tell his boss, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if he has the liver to severe Nigerian relation with Israel. If he has the liver, that's what he should do. And not to pick on a state governor. If you know that you APC people, you people have liver, you people have done so many things. You can do and undo. Tell Tinubu, let Tinubu announce a press conference and say that Nigeria will no longer have a relationship with Israel. To show that you people are serious. That was my first reaction. But let us look at the substance of what Fani-Kayode was talking about. Now, the governor has responded following that condemnation, because he was condemning the meeting because of this fight between Hamas and Israel, which we know what the Hamas did in October 7 that led to the war that the world is witnessing. Now, the governor himself, in reaction to Fani-Kayode, has condemned the attack from Fani-Kayode, who was querying his intention for hosting the ambassador of Israel to Nigeria, Michael Freeman. So the ambassador of Israel to Nigeria, a state governor can't receive him. That's what he wants us to believe, because Israel is fighting with Hamas. But you can receive the ambassador of Ukraine. You can receive the ambassador of Israel. That's how they reason, the kind of people that Tinubu surround himself and want to make ambassadors. Now, Fani-Kayode kicked against the visit in a Facebook statement, saying Governor Mufwang made a great mistake by hosting the ambassador of Israel, and a fascist, genocidal, child-killing, terrorist, and apartheid nation in his state, in the food. But the governor responded that the visit focused, the governors shouldn't even have paid attention to him in the first place. But the governor responded that the visit focused on agriculture, technology, and medicine, and not religion or ideology, dismissing Mr. Fani-Kayode's criticism as intellectually dishonest and morally bankrupt, which was apt, morally bankrupt and intellectually dishonest. Intellectually dishonest and morally bankrupt. Now, look at what Fani-Kayode says. He said, as a Christian, how does this move one feel about receiving mass murders, ethnic cleansers, and religious bigots in his official residence? More importantly, as a human being, how can he sleep at night after doing this? People in Plateau State have been ethnically cleansed. What has Fani-Kayode done about it? Has he written anything condemn those who are killing Plateau people and doing the ethnic cleansing of Plateau people? But he liked to play Afghanistanism. That's what we call it in media. Afghanistanism. When you have a problem in your country, you are not solving it. You are more interested in what is happening in faraway land. In journalism, we call it Afghanistanism. What has Fani-Kayode done? What has he done about the ethnic cleansing in Benue? What has he done about the ethnic cleansing in Plateau? Where headers have taken over communities and renamed them, cleansing of the original people. That doesn't mean, the lives in Plateau that they are being cleansed doesn't mean anything to him. It's to tell us that Israel is doing ethnic cleansing in faraway land. That is what he was pondering to some interest. You know, there was a time this same Fani-Kayode was pro-Israel. I went to check his blog. Yeah, they have placed up all those places where he used to be pro-Israel, praising Israel and all that. I went to go and check because as I wanted to do this, I want to go and lift up things he has said up in praise of Israel, in praise of Netanyahu and all that, so that the world can see the duplicity of Fani-Kayode. When I went to that his blog, I see that he can't access it anymore. He has cleansed it up and created a new blog. But that's by the way. So a governor of a state cannot relate with Israel ambassador as they search for better life for their people. And he's looking for, you know, a low-hanging fruit he will use to ingratiate himself to Hamas supporters in Nigeria. You know, Hamas have supporters in Nigeria. He wants to ingratiate himself with them. And he has to pick a Christian northern governor. Is Plateau governor the only governor to have received ambassador of Israel? Ambassador of Israel is being received all over the country. And Israel is doing business with no country, with all the states in Nigeria, with no exception. All the states in Nigeria doing business with them, one way or the other. Even security, even the security business. Israel companies are involved, and they have a right to be involved in the provision of facility in Nigeria. And if Nigeria really want to take its security serious, it has to learn from Israel. So the idea that we want to single out Governor of Plateau, why didn't he go and single out the governor of Abia State? Because Abia State and other states across the country, including in the north, they do business with Israel. Because Israel is number one in agriculture. Israeli environment is closer to what we have in northern Nigeria. Israel has passed technology of irrigation agriculture and what have you. It was because of Israel that the Arab world that are living in the desert, today they are smiling in the area of agriculture. They learn it from Israel. And Israel is not shy in sharing its technology. But because Fani-Kayode want to make political capital to impress his spare masters, those who are against Israel. That's why he has to pick on the governor of Plateau State and single him out for meeting an ambassador of Israel, as if the ambassador had not been meeting other governors in Nigeria. I don't know what to think about this. What do you think about Fani-Kayode picking on governor of Plateau State for receiving the Israeli ambassador, alleging that Israeli they are committing genocide and all that? When the genocide in Nigeria here, he has not addressed it, and they have not even stopped it. They were taking place under their nose here. What is your view? What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high. I recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.